Welcome back, dear students. In the previous session, we have discussed about the introduction of pronouns. We have seen that pronouns are the words which replace nouns. When there is a repetition of noun, we use pronouns. We have also seen that some of the basic categories of pronouns are personal pronouns and possessive pronouns. We have seen that personal pronouns are the pronouns which only specifies a particular person or anything or a place. And the pronouns used for this context, they are called as personal pronouns. And some examples of personal pronouns are you, I, we, he, she, her, him, it, and they. So based on the knowledge of personal pronouns, we will see the examples which is given in your book. Let us see. Here given in your page number 40. Circle the correct pronouns that would complete the sentence. Here are some pronouns are given and you have to put the appropriate pronouns which are given in the sentence. The first is Joe has left his sweater here. I will give it to dash tomorrow. So what will be the correct pronouns used? It will be him. When we are using he, it is inappropriate, or when we are using it is inappropriate. So when I am talking about that Joe, so Joe is here a third person pronoun and we are going to use him. In the second sentence, Sheetal got a new bicycle on her birthday. Dash has a shiny bell and a basket. So here Sheetal is talking about her bicycle. The bicycle here is a third person pronoun, but it is a thing. So we cannot use he, she, I or anything. So it will be used. The next sentences, the PDF will be given to you. First you go through it on your own and the next you see it from the PDF. Today we are going to start with possessive pronouns. Let us begin. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are those pronouns which are used to replace the noun and also they show some kind of ownership or possession. Ownership means that it belongs to me or that belongs to him, like that. So it shows some kind of belonging. Here in the possessive pronoun, they are also categorized as first person pronoun, second person pronoun and third person pronoun. We will see how in these three different persons the possessive pronouns is categorized and how they are functioning. In the first person pronoun, the possessive pronoun becomes mine, like this book is mine. The other word which is used for possessive pronoun in case of plural is ours. This class is ours. Means when I am talking about any plural thing, the possessive pronoun becomes ours. And in singular, it is mine. In the second person possessive pronoun, the pronoun used is yours. This book is yours. Children, you was used for both singular and plural. Similarly, yours is used for both singular and plural second person possessive pronoun. This book is yours, that school is yours. Means both singular and plural we can use possessive pronouns. Next is third person possessive pronoun. When I am talking about any third person and their context, so the possessive pronoun becomes his, hers and theirs. Like this book is hers, or we can say that house is theirs. So I'm talking about some third person, but they shows that they have got some possession or some ownership. So the possessive pronouns here used are his, hers, and theirs. Theirs is used as a plural. So children, we have discussed about the personal and possessive pronouns. Please go through the video properly and know the difference between personal pronouns and possessive pronouns. Now I am going to discuss the back exercise given in the possessive pronoun. Children, this is the exercise which is given in page number 42. Tick the correct possessive pronouns in the bracket. You all have now understood that possessive pronouns show some kind of possessions. When the possession is of first person, it is mine or ours. When the possession is of second person, the pronoun used is yours. And the third person possession, the pronouns used are his, hers, and theirs. So based on this is the exercise. This bag belongs to me. It's, here I am talking about first person pronoun. So the possessive pronoun used will be mine. It's mine. In the second, I forgot my book. Arun lent me his. Here the book is the noun and Arun gave me his book. So here Arun is the noun again in the second sentence and he is the masculine. So I will be using his as the possessive pronoun. Third is, your house is closer to the park than mine. Here the possessive pronoun used will be mine. This toy is shared by my sister and me. It is ours. Sister and me, we are together. We are making a plural form. So the possessive pronoun here used will be ours. Similarly, children, you do the remaining part and first you try to do it on your own and I will be sharing you the PDF of the solution. Till that time, keep studying, keep learning.